Hey guys, my name is Wilford, and I'm a capuchin monkey. And today, we're going to the bank. And today, we're going to check our credit score. A credit score is a number that is like a grade for your report card. Just like you get A's and B's in school, you get a credit score for your credit behavior.
Wait, what?
The credit history is given to you from the 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Depending on how good or bad your credit history is, determines how high your credit score is. The better your credit history, the higher the credit score. And this gives you a great report card.
Okay, let's go, baby!
Each credit bureau has a different credit score for you, and they calculate the credit scores differently. It is rare that you will have the same credit score at each bureau, even if you have the same credit history. Now, let's get into the fun stuff.
Let's go!
To help us, let's introduce Betsy, our credit score.
Howdy, kiddos. I'm so happy to see you again. It's me, Betsy, your credit report.
Woo!
Depending on how you treat me, I can be happy or sad. So, let's take a look at what affects me. Your credit score can be between 300 to 850. 300 is very bad.
Oh, no!
You can't buy anything with a bad credit score.
Oh my God!
Therefore, you want to be as far away from 300 as possible. But an 850 credit score is amazing. If you have an 850 credit score, then you're a superstar.
Yeah!
You want to have a credit score of 700 and above. A score below 700 isn't bad, but you get better prizes if your score is higher than 700.
Okay, let's go, baby!
You get more toys.
Woo!
You get more games, and you get more coconuts. Therefore, you need strong credit history.
Woo!
Now, let's talk about how to build your credit history.
Yeah!
You build your credit history by having credit products. Credit products are auto loans, credit cards, personal loans, home loans, and home equity lines of credit. You must be responsible with these products by paying your monthly bills on time and not going above your credit limits. This will help build your credit score to 850.
Oh, yeah!
You also can build your credit score by not missing payments on non-credit items as well. Non-credit items can be medical bills, rental payments, phone bills, and insurance bills. Even though these items are not loans, and they do not make your score go up or down. If you do not pay them, then the company will close your account
What?
and send the bill to collections.
Oh, come on!
If your loan or non-credit item goes to collections, then your credit score will go down.
Oh my God!
You never want your loan to go to collections.
No.
Collections is a very bad place. Therefore, it is very important that you always pay your bills on time. When looking at your credit report, make sure all your information is correct. Bad information can give you a bad credit history, preventing you from reaching 850.
Wow, we learned so much about our credit today. Let's all say goodbye to Betsy.
Bye, kitties!
Like us and subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal you want to see next. Join us next time because we're going to the bank. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you kids next time.
No quiero más problemas. Quiero más fiesta.